In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Drive for desktop, which is also commonly referred to as restarting Google Drive for desktop. This can be extremely useful if you're experiencing issues such as syncing problems, files not updating properly, or unexpected errors while using the application. Resetting or restarting essentially involves reinstalling the app, which gives it a fresh start and helps remove glitches. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. First, to restart Google Drive for desktop, we need to uninstall the current version and then reinstall it. Think of this as giving the app a clean slate to work from. Begin by heading to your Windows desktop and locating the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu, and you'll see a search bar. Type in Edit or Remove Programs here. Click on the matching result, which will take you to the system settings where you can view and manage all installed applications on your computer. Once you're in the Add or Remove Programs section, use the search bar to type Google. This will bring up all Google applications installed on your system, including Google Drive for desktop. Locate it in the list and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the uninstallation process. This removes any previous settings or cache data that may have been causing problems. After the uninstallation is complete, the next step is to reinstall Google Drive for desktop. Visit the official Google Drive website, download the latest version, and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, sign in with your Google account and allow the app to sync your files. This clean installation often resolves persistent issues and ensures the app works smoothly. Here's a tip. After reinstalling, check your sync settings in the app to make sure all the folders you want are selected. Also, restart your computer after installation to ensure the app integrates properly with your system. If problems continue even after resetting, you can check Google support for advanced troubleshooting tips or consider clearing cached credentials in your Google account settings. By following these steps, you've effectively restarted Google Drive for desktop, creating a fresh, fully functional environment for your files to sync reliably and without interruption.